everyone. Welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. Today, I'm making marinated seafood with lemon.
We need chilies, cilantro, lemon, and garlic. As for seafood, I bought some shrimps, clams, and octopus. All of them are alive. First, we need to boil the seafood. You'd better cut off the shrimp's head so it can absorb more flavor. Cleaning and preparing the octopus is really difficult. I had hoped the vendor would cut it up for me, but she forgot, so I had to do it myself. Oh, I accidentally squeezed the ink sac. Unfortunately, there aren't any animal welfare regulations in China for octopus. I even tried to find an electric stunner, but when I searched online, well, I'm a little embarrassed to admit this, but the search results were octopus-shaped sex toys. Wash the cilantro thoroughly and remove any wilted leaves. Finally, mince at least half a head of garlic. Cut the Thai chilies into small pieces. And then cut the lemon into quarters, so it is easier to squeeze out the juice. Add everything to the bowl. Squeeze out the lemon juice. Cut the cilantro and add them. Add about 2 or 3 spoons of soy sauce, nearly 1 spoon of vinegar, and 1 spoon of sugar. Pour in half a bowl of water. You'd better taste the sauce after mixing. Even after adding the water, it should still have a strong, concentrated flavor. Add the seafood in the sauce and mix everything together. By the way, if you are using frozen seafood, that can be perfectly fine too. Just choose good quality frozen squid or shrimp that has been kept in a reliable cold chain. And you can add more lemon to balance the fishy smell. For a richer flavor, you'd better to marinate it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Now it's ready to serve. I share half of them to my friends, and I have the other with my parents.
以后夏天你多做点这个呗，挺好吃的。我尤其愿意吃这个虾，好吃。
My parents really like it. My mother said it was delicious and asked me to make it more often. The flavors of the chilies, garlic, and cilantro infuse to the sauce, while the lemon is a bright, fruity note. It is light and refreshing, which makes it perfect for summer.